All right, so why was I long this morning? I've been long since 8:42 in the morning, looking for a push through that 36 and 42. Reason being was yesterday was a level of support, and then it basically broke down, and we did get short on my live stream. It's all being recorded. It's all there. So after that, we looked for that move on down, and I did end up taking profit at the 15, which was slightly lower down here. So today, that's going to be obviously a level of support. But basically, today's trade is very simple. I saw the price was basically congesting up here, and we kind of accepted this price. So I'm looking for this breakout above 28.30 area, because now that area, the idea is that it's going to be turned into support. And well, I mean, even though it wasn't the cleanest, but it's being turned into support, right? So that's the idea for the trade right now. Numbers are coming in very soon, and I'm just holding. There's really nothing for me to do. Yeah, I was holding all morning long almost. At 42 with the numbers, what did the numbers say? I don't know, and I don't give a shit. Why? Because the numbers don't freaking matter. Okay, the numbers don't. How else can I prove it? This was a level of support. We broke it down. Then we got short yesterday. Now today we're above it. So therefore, now it's becoming support. Look at this. Look at this. I was long since 8:45. We streamed the whole thing. Look at it. Where did it get the night so far? At 42. Is it magic? No, it's not magic. It's called support and resistance. And if you're not trading it, you're missing out. Turning it down a notch. That video was recorded on the live stream, so it was definitely a bit more exciting. But the idea was a simple one, that we had a level that we had broken down yesterday that we are claiming above now. We are taking back that land of this 30 area. So therefore, that was a simple idea for me to get long there. And then it worked out as I did take profit at 41.75. And again, the idea is always simple. You take the long, you got to hold with conviction. And I feel like that on my stream, if you go watch that stream, you can see that we were long since 8:45 in the morning. And we had to hold with conviction. You cannot trade inside of this range here and I think be profitable. Like in here is very extremely difficult to profit. So there's many different ways to obviously trade this, but the way I see it is that from this bottom to this top is one leg. That is one move. There is no need for me to trade this many different times. It's just a one trade. On the way from resistance, which I don't take these, to back down looking for the breakdown, that is all one move. There is no need to be trading inside of these ranges in here, like 36 and stuff like that, right? So, but again, today's a little bit messy, looks really mixed up because of, FOMC and stuff that's coming out at 2 o'clock today. But again, the idea is always a simple one. Old resistance, if it breaks down, we need to reclaim it so that we can move back up. And that's exactly what we're doing right now, which is building a base. And you can see on this dump here, we got back up from the 28 level. Is that a coincidence? No, it's not at all, in my opinion. We're just turning this 30-28 area into support. So start trading with that. And perhaps maybe you can see the market in a little bit different manner, if you will. I do think that it can keep a lot of the guessing out of the game, and that you do get more confidence in holding a trade for longer and looking for not just 3 to 5 points, but more than that, right? So again, that's my take on what happened today. I don't really care what's going to happen later. I know I'll be back here tomorrow at 9 in the morning. If you want to tune in, you're more than welcome to and see what it is that we're doing. It's exciting.